Okay, now we'll see what is reader writer problem, okay, and how it is solved using semaphores. So there are two processes, P1 and P2. One is a reader process and another is a writer process. So both the processes are working on a common document. Okay, common document. Reader wants to read the contents from the document and writer wants to write the content into the document. So there can be multiple reader processes, okay, which are working on the document simultaneously. Is it possible to read the document simultaneously by the different processes? Yes, because the processes are just reading the contents. But what about writing process? Okay, so if there are multiple writes on the same document at the same time, there will be data inconsistency, and that we cannot allow. So at a particular time, only one writer process is allowed. Okay, and when the writer process is writing something, okay, we should not allow a reader process to read, or whenever the reader process is reading something, that time also we cannot allow a writer process to write anything into that document. So here the document is a common element or common thing between the two processes. Okay, so this will be in critical section. Okay, so reader can read the document or a text. Okay, writer can do both the things, reading and writing. But here we are considering writer will just write, and if possible, if want, then it can read and write. Okay, the document or text is in the critical section that I have already mentioned because it is common between the processor or among the processes. Okay, processes. For reader, it is not a critical section big problem because multiple read operations can be done simultaneously. So as I mentioned earlier, that this document uh, can be read simultaneously by the different reader processes at the same time. So it's not a critical section problem for readers, but for writer it is. So for writing operations, simultaneous multiple writes on a shared variable is not possible, means the processes cannot write simultaneously. Okay, and as well as if one process is writing, then other process cannot read, or vice versa is true. So that's what I have mentioned earlier, that if one of the process is reading, then other process cannot write, or we should not allow the writer process to write, and vice versa. Okay, so while reading, more than one reader can enter, but writer cannot enter. So that is we have to this is very important. We have to remember always. While writing, no other process can enter the critical section, else data inconsistency will occur. So in short, the document can be read by multiple processes, reader processes, but we cannot allow the document to be shared when the writing is going.